Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to get rid of the little cycle on your iPhone screen. So if you have this particular little cycle that is movable, and if you click on it, it's going to open some menu like this. If you want to remove it or get rid of it on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to get rid of little cycle on your iPhone screen, you first need to understand what this little cycle is. This little cycle is called the assistive touch. So this can help you to control your phone without necessarily going through the settings and going through the control center. So you can configure the assistive touch. If you click on the assistive touch or the little button on your home screen, click on notification center, it's going to open your notification center. You see that? Click on the little button on the home screen, should scroll, then it should say scroll to the top, scroll bottom, scroll right, speed up, and the rest of them. And if you click on the little cycle on the screen as well, you can click on home to exit whatever page you are. So that's one thing you need to know about the little cycle. However, to remove it, all you need to do is click on the settings, scroll down the settings page, locate and click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down, locate and click on touch. Then under touch, there is a feature called assistive touch. Then go ahead and click on that and then disable assistive touch. Then you should see the little cycle disappeared. You see that? And then the little cycle will never come back until you go back and turn on the assistive touch again. So that is basically how to get rid of little cycle on iPhone screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.